Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is traditional file system. Before database management system, traditional file system was used to store and maintain data on the computer. It was an early attempt to computerize the manual file system. In traditional file system, data is usually kept in computer on files or disk tape. In a typical file system, each department has its own set of application programs and data files. Data is stored and managed in data files through application programs. Each program and each department defines and implements the data files needed for a specific purpose. Each application program is developed with its own set of data files to meet the need of a specific department. The following problems are faced in traditional file system. First one is data redundancy. Second, data inconsistency. Third, data sharing. Fourth, program data dependency. Fifth, lack of flexibility. And sixth is data security. Data redundancy. Data redundancy means having multiple copies of the same data. In traditional file system, each application program has its own data files. Same data may be duplicated in several files. This is known as data redundancy. The following problems might be created due to data redundancy. First is update problem and second is storage problem. In update problem, to update a specific data, the same data must be updated in all files. Otherwise, different files may have different information about a specific record. Valuable storage space is wasted due to duplication of records. Second problem is data inconsistency. Data inconsistency means that different files may contain different data of a particular person or object. Actually, redundancy leads to inconsistency. When the same data is stored at multiple locations, the inconsistency may occur. Suppose the address of a student is changed and it is updated in the data file located at registrar's office only. Since the data files are maintained by other departments also, therefore the same data files may contain the old address of the student while some data files contain the new address of the student. Thus data redundancy can arise in data inconsistency because of partial update of student's address. Third problem is data sharing. In traditional file system, it is difficult to share data among multiple users. Usually, data is shared among users by copying it on portable storage media such as USB drive and CDs. This leads to data inconsistency. Similarly, it also becomes difficult for an application program to access data from a data file created by another application program. Fourth problem is program data dependency. In traditional file system, data is stored in data files depends upon the application program through which the data files was created. The structure of data file is defined in the application program. It is difficult to change the structure of data file. If we want to change the structure of data file or format of the file, then we have to modify the application program also. This problem of file-based management system is known as program data dependency. Fifth problem is lack of flexibility. In file-based management system, data is not stored and managed in proper way. It is difficult to access data from various data files for producing or generating reports. For this purpose, new application programs have to be developed and it is very lengthy and costly process. Sixth problem is data security. In traditional file system does not provide us proper security system against illegal access of the data. Anyone can easily change or delete valuable data stored in data file. So today we have discussed problem faced in traditional file system. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.